Hello, this is Nick Paulson with a 5-Minute Farm Doc. Today I'll be covering the Supplemental and Enhanced Coverage Option crop insurance programs referred to as SCO and ECO. The frequency of indemnity payments being triggered for SCO and ECO has been lower than expected over the 2015 to 2022 timeframe. Both SCO and ECO are add-on insurance products that provide additional or supplemental coverage to an underlying yield or revenue insurance plan. Both SCO and ECO provide county-level coverage over a range of the farmer's deductible. SCO has an 86% coverage level that extends down to the coverage level on the farmer's individual plan. ECO can be purchased with either a 95% or 90% coverage level, which extends down to 86%. Because they provide county-level coverage, SCO and ECO may not always trigger payments when there are yield revenue shortfalls at the farm level and vice versa. Still, they do provide producers with additional flexibility via the option to add coverage to a portion of their deductible range. From 2015 to 2022, SCO payments have not been triggered at all in 80% of Illinois counties for corn and 90% of counties for soybeans. Counties where payments have been triggered are mainly in Northeast Illinois and Southern Illinois. ECO has only been available since 2021, but our analysis considers payments that would have occurred from 2015 to 2020 had the program been available in those years, in addition to actual performance in 2021 and 2022. Payments from ECO at a 95% coverage level, or ECO 95, have not or would not have been triggered in 29% of Illinois counties for corn and 55% of counties for soybeans. Counties where ECO 95 payments have been triggered are mainly in the northern and southern thirds of Illinois. Where ECO payments have been triggered, most were in 3 or fewer years over the 8-year period considered. Only a few counties in southern Illinois would have had payments from ECO triggered in 4 or more years. Overall, across all Illinois counties, the frequency of SCO payments being triggered for corn was just 2% and would have been 14% for ECO 95. For soybeans, the overall frequencies are 2% for SCO and just 8% for ECO 95. While based on just 8 years, these payment frequencies are well below the expected payment frequencies based on longer-term histories of insurance prices and county yield experience. For example, based on a longer history, one would expect ECO 95 to trigger roughly 2 out of every 3 years for corn and 1 out of every 2 years for soybeans. A major contributing factor for the low payment frequencies since 2015 is that corn and soybean yields have been relatively favorable and stable over that time frame, particularly across central Illinois. The relatively low frequency with which SCO and ECO have triggered payments over the past 8 years calls into question the advisability of their use in looking ahead to 2024 and beyond. A key question is whether the higher and more stable yields experienced since 2015 are representative of what to expect moving forward.